This is my cat named Blizzard. Not for real, but this is Blue Angel Jaws. Blue Angel's cat Blizzard. Draw with BluAngel213 Part 1. This is Blizzard. Really hard. I think I'm really good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tune in, hit that like button, yo, and for next time, comment if you want me to play a game on the PS4, make a little video of it, live stream it or something, or if you want me to do more drawings like this, just like it, say you want more drawings like this, or you can ask for vlogs, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. Later on, I'm gonna do vlogs of me doing stuff, and yeah, so hit that like button, and see you next time, man. Peace.